Audio recordings pa ladit Dr. Odonga Otto tika kelo lok mapola dada. And wajuni ochako ki lok belan deal of 500 million. Ma wajuni Akol gamo kido wajuni lueny pa Akol ki enu bekiru kuo madit tutwali ki na chuli ki kaka mukenne. Pe ameru doga ye matut ento ameru yaro kamaleng neno pachuli ki dano mago winyo recordings anuni en dano putie ka mete ameda ki lok ikom recordings achiel anuni dano tika miyo puoch charo ki pade dano mago ni Kenneth kuma kech wajuni ene aki pade doga puo kitwal puony magi puonyo kere ma Odonga Otto puonyo kere Akol Anthony ni gen ma otimo ene gen ma ngara petamo matut ata pe wore no mer pe otim kire anu manu Kenneth kuma kech ayeti ka karo ki comment mamege tie kire anu kadong waneno bene ukelo pious the parliament is not a fighting place. Odonga, please go back to parliament po pero balwen Odonga merudako chen ni parliament onwe Jacob. Well, the truth is that Akol acted badly and that will create a very big rift between Acholi and Baganda. Akol, please apologize to the Baganda and clear our image. Endong tika no wacha Akol acting or reacting on behalf of Acholi pian no wacha ni stupid Acholi. So endong kabi yara Acholi ba kara Acholi when stupid Acholi are not stupid. Well, anything mo agini anoni. Donc ente ka terune da kolo baro kolo mero kwa kija piano bokelo tele kina chule ki Baganda kwa kija ki Baganda ka chel kono ki uyop nya chule leo moyo kelo. We as a Chuli community need to refrain from fueling issues which can be sorted out in a simple way. The praises we give to Akol and all accusations being leveled on him are extremely useless. I'm not understanding why politicians are failing to balance this case, which is crystal clear. All the two MPs are on the wrong. They never exhibited what is expected of them as the elected honorable members of parliament. Akol purposely went to attack Zake by sitting on the position which his colleagues was occupying to support my claim. Akol put all his phones on the floor in readiness for the fist fight when Zake was demanding his position. Zake never conducted himself as honorable member who was contributing to the flow of parliament. His remarks were irritative, which led to switching off his microphone. Had Zake not pushed Akol, who has been praying for a fight, he would have not received the blessings. Both of them participated in creating violence in parliament. Akol is not the first MP to fight in parliament. Let us stop biased judgment. To me, I am accusing Anita Among for not upgrading the parliament to a level which each seat is given a constituency name in order to avoid such primitive behavior in the house which all citizens respect as the source of the law of the land. Anita should think deep here to avoid another hooliganism in Uganda parliament. My take. A very brilliant guy, a very brilliant message from Leomoy Okello. And I'm your Tamme Ikom Alok Anoni. Exactly, this is not an Acholi issue. It is Akol's lack of proper judgment. Mary Ufoyo. Comments take a beautiful poll to 12. Upora John. Parliament is not a fighting ground, but is where law is scrutinized for the betterment of the country. It's a big shame. What does it take for the current citizens in Uganda and in the future? Odonga Otto, you're a great leader. Akol absolutely wrong. A normal person can't fight Zake. Honorable Odonga Otto, if Honorable Akol is your tribe mate, get him home and talk to him as brothers. Hatred will take you people nowhere. I've not liked your speech against your friend. Thank you. Ebong Jacob. Kaumeru. No ikarepin lokwere kipajo ne dagin eniti marach. lok ma Odonga Otto lok ni lok ma kela poka ma eno ni pe twal reactions pa ebong Jacob tikireno. Utim Peter, what did Acholi parliamentary group respond to the act of their own chairperson? Respond pa members of Acholi parliamentary group. So down to Cameroon Yang, the reactions of other members of parliament from Acholi sub-regions, ikom gini anone tiningo. Then tika nanokayan Arab Dibari, he is objective and truthful, a call to accept his uncontrollable emotions as a leader, not use his personal weakness and tribe to self-defense. He is not the king of Acholi to punch in the name of Acholi. The self-reflective question is, did Honorable Zake really say stupid Acholi? Or is a fabrication of Akol who had it? Was the seat for Zake or Akol? If MP is done, have specific seats, who was the first to occupy the chair? From observations, Akol appears to be a self-defense, analytical. From those who understand the sittings at Parliament, Akol needs to accept his weakness as a leader of Northern Uganda MP and his constituency. La Court Grace, please, I'm Isaac. At La Court Grace, NIT the Andol, Wajini, please, I'm Isaac. Acholi and Baganda should remain united. Let's leave Akol and Zake issues in the hand of judiciary. Akol should leave Acholi alone. Don't involve Acholi into your problem. I have heard you've said Zake said stupid Acholi. If Zake said stupid Acholi, let the parliament produce the voice or the audio of Zake to prove Akol. My humble request to the Baganda is not to involve all Acholis into this Akol war. Thank. A lot of comments are coming. Well said, Mr. But this incident shouldn't involve civilians and tribalisms like you mentioned. What happened in parliament should be handled and settled by the parliamentary chair, otherwise vice versa. Some of the indigenous people in the central Uganda might be misbehave against the northerners, like you said, because of their member of parliament being a victim, but they should also know that their people are living and also married in northern Uganda as well. So the issue should be resolved amicably. Concern Mamege Tikirano. Godfrey Riema, Honorable Odonga Otto, you are right. Akol's act is barbaric and should not be supported by any Acholi. He is not trying to sanitize his act of dragging the Acholi into his barbarism. He should apologize to Zake, Acholi community, and Ugandans at large. A lot of comments here, Madame Tikamune Kumlok Ene. Donc, we na ye take it, mixed reaction. There are people who are supporting Odonga Otto, and Joe can I wear it, Jonari or Winguti Mobile, Pian Canan Aratero Yabu. To me, Amiron footage manyuru kitma Zake biar footage magi chwale weng penyur ni Zake tika beru piny ba penyur ni Zake oberu piny nyur ma Zake chua kabera rio timo dong kabera rio anu ni achiel gwapa Zake onyoko makolo beri ni gwapa Zake onyoko anu ni footage pe waneno kanu kel footage aneno mera Akolo chwinge sajina tam Kid ma odonjo kwere kid ma Zake obiro bedo kwere karo de footage nonge sometime na romo miyo clarity but